Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today guys, I got a awesome video coming at you on how you can play all your favorite IO games for free all in one place. Now when it comes to like all these online games, usually you'd have to go to a separate website to play them, but on this website that I got here, yourgames.io, it's all your favorite IO games mashed into one website where you can play them all at once, so you don't have to open up a gazillion different tabs when you want to play all your favorite games. Now, this is a great website to play all your games in one spot, and it's got some of the best titles that I've seen, at least in a long time. One game that I've played specifically and actually was really fun is this one called Zombs Royale. It's kind of like a fun little battle royale game where you can pick up guns and shoot other people and stuff. Really fun game. But yeah, let me just walk you through this website, and this is not a sponsored video. I was not paid to promote this at all. I'm just showing you guys how awesome this website is. So yourgames.io, really simple website name. Just type that into Google, it'll pop up immediately. It's got the home tab here, which shows all these games, and then it has separate categories for aspects. So we got new. This is the games, and they're added to the website. Agar.io is your favorite Agar sort of replicas games. If you guys ever played Agar.io, is a classic. I got team-based games here. I know Krunker.io is a really fun game, I've heard. Moving on, we got Slither. Slither was a classic IO game back in the day. If you guys are fans of that, this website has it too. We have shooter games. I'm a fan of shooter games personally, so this is probably where I'm going to be spending most of my time playing games. We got Krunker again, War Brokers, my zombie game that I like, Build Royale, Squads Royale, a lot of Royale games if you guys are interested in battle royales. Ninja.io. So, and then Tank. I've always been a Tank fan, so if you guys are interested in tank games, they have that as well. Zombie games, love zombie games. Splix. I'm not too familiar with Splix, but if you guys are interested in that, you can check this out. RPG. I really like RPG games. I was a huge RPG player back in the day. I used to play on addictinggames.com, if you guys are familiar with that website. We got space games, love space games, got racing, and we have strategy. So new games are being added to this under the new tab all the time. So guys, if you're really interested in playing all your favorite IO games online, 100% free, the quality is insane. I've experienced no lag or any of that kind of stuff. You just hop right on this website and you're good to go. So yeah, with that being said guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave a link down to the website in the description below, so you guys go play all your favorite games all in one place. And let me just go to the About Us. You guys can follow them as well. So yourgames.io was created as a site for you to enjoy hundreds of your favorite games and all in one place. Our goal is to provide you with a great experience while having fun playing games. New games are always coming out. As I said earlier, we are always consistently adding games to keep you updated with the best new titles, because all these new IO games are coming out all the time. There's new trends and stuff, so everyone's playing new games. So keep coming back and having a fantastic time playing all of the best IO games out here. Here's their email, and here is their Instagram. If you guys want to go hit them with a follow, make sure you guys go check out this website. I'd highly recommend it. Really fun if you guys are in school and you want to play some games and stuff like that. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, subscribe, hit that notification bell, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video in Life Made Easy. And also go check out my merch store linked down below on Teespring. So see you guys.